Good afternoon, everybody.
Yeah. Yo. Hiro-san, he's gonna be making some breakfast sushi. These are delicious banana pancakes.
This is where he puts his sauce.
This is John. Thank you so much, John.
Welcome.
And Bernadette. Thank you so much. Such wonderful hospitality. On this beautiful, beautiful property. Banana pancake. We have some bacon here. And then we have some eggs. Nice fresh pancake. Show you the view again. This is unbelievable. This is Staniel K. Tasting. Look at that.
I'll take 7 20-pound.
So good.
Over 173 pound.
Let me try one myself, Hiro.
Because I just got
Take a look at this.
140 pounds.
Beautiful, beautiful, huh? This is Colin, by the way.
Wow. You put it in shape.
This man is a man.
This is unreal. This is amazing. I've never seen anything like this in my life. This is really cool. All right.
I'm gonna put Colin's information down below. This guy is an amazing videographer, editor. This guy is a man.
Don't let him lie.
No. No, check his stuff out.
All right, you guys, we're at the grotto, and Colin is like the sickest drone pilot ever. He's going to try to fly the drone into the hole, get a shot, and then fly it back out. If he does it, sickest drone shot in the world.
Ho, 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 it's magic, you know. Never believe it's not so. It's magic, you know. Never believe it's not so.
Oh yeah! Woo! He did it. That's the man right there. Colin! Woo! You did it! He's got a Phantom 4. That's what he's using right now. And he catches it like the master. All right.
Hey boys, I'm jumping in.
Yeah, try it out. Pancakes, everything is so fresh.
Oh my god. I'd eat breakfast every morning if that was, what I woke up to.
One left.
We got lucky. Nice.
In Bahama.
That's great. Oh, no. Oh, we got nothing.
I get it.
That is awesome.
Good stuff, man. Treasure chest, huh?
Yeah. That is so scarce.
Nice.